just wanted to share my shopping spree with you all, so let's get started. Hey everyone, did some shopping, and I'm going to start right off because I got quite a bit of items. I'm going to start with Burlington. Not one of my favorite characters, but for $10, and it's the real thing, you can beat it. It's the Mickey Mouse Pirate, which he's the second out of 12. I don't even know what the other ones look like. I'm not going to collect them, but as I said, $10. I also, this went from $10 to $5. Little Stitchy, he looks so cute. Cheers. And a coffee mug, which I actually don't collect. And I said a long time ago, no more, because I just have so many, but I just couldn't say no. This is so cute. And in the back, or the other side, it just says, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. So, another one to fill up that cabinet. Okay, let's go to Box Lunch. I think I'm gonna have to turn this light off. Okay, Box Lunch, bought some pins. This one says, bother free, which is Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. I bought it because of Eeyore. Oh, it's so hard to see, because you don't find too many pins with Eeyore, but I thought it was really cute. Got myself 3 mystery boxes. I've been looking at this collection on the Box Lunch store for so long and didn't know if I should buy it or not, so I was there at the store today, so I thought, why not? These are the, what are these houses called again? I forgot. But there are 6 to collect. You have Rapunzel, Snow White, Tiana, and Belle, Ariel. I think that's, I forgot her name on the bottom. Oh, it will come to me as always. Okay, I'm hoping to get either Belle or Snow White. As some of you guys may know, I only collect a certain type of pins now, but I still have to get pins to trade. Oh wow, that's odd. Wow, they're bigger than I thought it would be. They don't come in a mystery bag. No. I have Tiana. Oh wait, that's Rapunzel. So if you're a Rapunzel fan and you like it, oh, I'm a bit disappointed. Where's my board now? Here you go. Excuse the board, it's old. Okay, oh well. Number 2. I thought it was supposed to be a mystery. Now I'm glad I got these pins because they are very pretty. I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna remove it and put it on my board. Just grabbing for my board. Yay! I have Snow White and I love it. I love, love, love it. These are actually neat. I don't think you guys can see it, but they sparkle. They have sparkles. I like anything that sparkles. It's glittery. It's shiny. Okay, box number 3. I hope they're not going to start having all of these pins like that now. Alright. Not looking. Just putting it on. Oh. Yeah. So I got 2 of the, oh come on, Snow White. So Snow White and Rapunzel up for trade. Oh, and this is the back. It's the rose gold. Really nice looking pins. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. box launch. Hot Topic. They had buy one get one 30% off, and yeah, my new addiction is getting real. I will have these ears keep on moving. I'm gonna have another video come out with my new addiction, and I bought an awful lot. Okay, I'm going to start. I also got some pins. I'm gonna start with my addiction. I saw this on the website. I didn't know they had it in the store. I might as well collect it because I only need 2 more. The Czech Skeleton Gingerbread Holiday 2022. Yes, I am gonna take it out of the box so you guys can see it better. And I am gonna buy the other 2. I thought you had to collect more than that. Oh, they don't come with a stand. There we go. A gingerbread Czech skeleton. Love it. And I had to get the love of his life, of course, which is Sally. These are really neat. So yeah, I'm gonna get Zero and Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie is not really one of my favorite characters. And of course, I don't have the mayor. Here is Sally. Oh, it does come with a stand. I see it now. Okay, so is she adorable? What? Now she looks like a real cookie, if you ask me. When I was at Box Lunch, they have some really, and this is when I wish I would have a little baby, but really cute Jack and Sally outfits for babies and younger children. You know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years old. Isn't she cool? Yep, love her. They also had candy. So I bought myself these. These are bubble milk tea mochi. I don't know what to think of them. As you can see, I already had some. They're not bad, but they're different. I mean, it's, you know, when you like something, dislike something, but you don't really dislike it, you like it, it's like in between. This is what they look like. And it's a gooey texture, and the filling's inside. Now I have to eat it now. Okay. Moving on. I love rice cakes. These types of rice cakes. So I got me the strawberry. What's gonna be next? These been out for a while. This is a serious mystery vinyl figure. Honey. I'm hoping to get Eeyore, since he's my favorite character, and then I would have to move on with Tigger. The rabbit is actually kind of cute too. Unfortunately, I forgot to remove the plastic. One moment. Okay, that was a struggle. I remember now, Gingerbread House, and the other one that I couldn't think of is Mohana. Okay. I've been wondering for the longest time what these look like. They're actually kind of cool. I take it, but it's not who I wanted. Oh my. All right, I'm gonna set it up real quick. I went to, I was just gonna go to Box Lunch and just buy a few boxes of, okay, get on there, of pins. But no, I had to go downstairs to Hot Topic. All right, why does he not fit? Oh, here we go. Voila! It's Pooh with a jar full of honey. Isn't he cute? I love it. Come on, Eeyore. Got another one. Okay. Not happy. And this one's out of the bag. Not happy, not happy, not happy. So this one may go in a giveaway. All right. I mean, come on. I mean, I guess you can never have enough Winnie the Pooh with his honey pots. So, may go in a giveaway, one of them. I'm a bit disappointed though. All right, let's move on. Oh, I only bought 4 boxes? I thought I bought more. These are 2 different boxes. These ears keep on falling. I bought 2 of these. There's 5 to collect. And these are the gingerbread pins now. I should have gotten more. There we go. Jack, Sally, Oogie Boogie, Zero, and then you can have 2 of the Jack. I don't see much of a difference though. Oh, it's a chase. That's why. I bought 2 of those, and I bought 2 of the Princess Miro ones. I saw somebody, I can't remember who, did a video unboxing them, and I thought they were neat. I'm going to start with Jack and Sally. No. Oh, yes. Okay, good. Those still come in the bag. Not looking. Oh, those are nice, decent sized pins. All right. It's Sally! Oh, I'm so glad I got these. They're so neat. When I saw them on the website, I didn't care for them. But they're really, really neat. Okay. Number 2. If I can find number 2. This place is looking like a mess, as always. I thought I bought a lot more and a lot more pins. All right, I think this feels like Jack because it's a bit more skinny. It is! This is so cool. Now, is he the chaser though? How do I know if he's the chase? Because they look the same. I don't know because they look the same to me, don't they? Does it say or something? I can't read it even with my glasses, but it does say something back here. I can't see it, like here on the side. I am so happy. So I got the 2 that I wanted out of that. And now here I would like either Snow White, Belle, or Jasmine. You get Cinderella, Mulan, and Tiana. Okay. So I'm very happy with all the pins I got today. I just wish that Snow White would have not been a double. And my Winnie the Pooh would be Eeyore. All right. I have Tiana. Okay, I don't collect her. Oh, those are some beautiful pins. I love them. Okay. Very beautiful. You know, now I think I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow because I want 2 more of the Jack and Sally. Oh, this is oh, they're all the same size. I just hope it's not a double. It is Jasmine. Wow, I love these pins. I mean, this is some, wow. Hot Topic in box lunch. Amazing. I have to get Snow White and Belle. So yes, I'm going back tomorrow. I'm gonna buy 2 more boxes. They're so beautiful. I can't get over it. Okay, guys. I almost got everyone. So this is what's up for trade. And the top ones I'm gonna keep. If anyone would like to trade, now I want to make sure there's nothing left. What do you guys like from my shopping spree? Do you love my Mickey as a pirate? This is the 50th anniversary one. He's got a long tail. Pirate! Now I kind of wish I would have done this collection. But I just don't really do stuffed, I call them stuffed animals. But here, I am so proud of my pins, but I want to go literally, like, I think right now back to buy more. All right, that's it for my shopping spree. Doesn't look like a lot, but yeah, it was. Okay, let me know in the comment below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. It means a lot to me. Yeah, look out for some more videos during the week because I should get more shipments. Until next time, ciao ciao!